Happy 40th birthday, IBM Maximo. Happy birthday to you. Hey, join us at Maximoworld in August in Phoenix. We are celebrating 4 decades or 40 years of IBM Maximo, and we are going to have one heck of a party to mark that day. Come and meet the world's best run companies, come and meet IBM executives, come and meet the top IBM partners, come and meet your peers who are using IBM Maximo application suite to advance asset management to create safe, sustainable, and successful programs within the world's best run companies. Hopefully, we'll see you at the 40th birthday party in Phoenix at Maximoworld. Happy birthday, Maximo.